No, not at all.
You're gonna whip around. Get him, Sunny Bear, get him.
I think since I can't feel my fingers anymore, he wins. Are you done yet?
Careful, Simon.
This is never gonna end.
Huh?
This is never gonna end.
Yeah, it is.
He smacks his face off the table. Boy.
No, it doesn't bother him. He does it all the time.
And pull him off the couch again, son. Pull him off the couch.
That's not nice, Kylie.
No, it's funny though.
It was funny.
He was laughing too.
Because it's funny. He's gonna pull you off the couch.
He has really sharp teeth.
That's wrong.
Which can bite your finger off.
Alright,
Sunny Bear.
I need a break.
Come on, come on, come on.
No.
It's just on his face. It's so cute. That's why people want to tug.
You can't say no to him.
Yeah, 'cause
Come on, grab it.
I barely got a hold of it.
Well, let him put it